Every product-based business needs it, so let's talk about packaging. And today's video is sponsored by Fiverr. Now the question is, how do you get packaging that really represents your brand? Because they can make or break the customer experience, especially when you're a small business. So let's talk about how you can find inspiration, how you can actually get your packaging design made with Fiverr, and show you how to put it all together and how to get your packaging printed so you can have it shipped to you and get it directly to your customers. So finding inspiration is really easy with using Pinterest and Packlane. Pinterest is a place where you can find all types of images, and it's very easy to find packaging design. Once you find packaging design, it'll give you so many different options you can choose from. Don't feel like you have to stay within your subject, whether it's like makeup or food. You can use packaging design for inspiration for whatever, and it's going to allow you to take all the pictures that you see, come up with an inspiration board so that you can give over to your freelancer on Fiverr. So Pinterest is a really great resource to get inspiration for what you want for your brand. Now we also are going to take a look at Packlane, which is a professional site that is made for branding. So this is Packlane, and this site is only about packaging. It is about packaging across the board. They have wine, they have makeup, they have everything. So just to show you guys how easy it is to find really great inspiration, I typed in makeup, and look at all the great packaging design that people have been putting out over the last year. Like this release from NYX is their Minecraft packaging design. You can take this inspiration and use it on your design inspiration. Now I'm going to take you over to Canva and show you how you can put all your images together to give your freelancer a good idea of what you want. So you guys know I love Fiverr, and it's super easy to navigate. We're just going to type in product packaging design, and then you'll see all the freelancers who offer packaging design. As you can see, there's pricing for anybody who wants to get a design for their packaging, so you don't have to spend $1,000 to get something done. You can really find something affordable. Me personally, I like to use pro services, and these are just vetted pros that are on Fiverr that offer their services, and you get the best bang for your buck with the pro services, I think. You can always pick a range of your budget. My budget for this was going to be $500, and then you can go ahead and purchase your order. The freelancer that I worked with, Jessica N, was amazing. As you can see, her work is great, and there you see my "You Can't Sit Here" packaging. It was a pleasure to work with her, and it was super easy to get a design that I truly enjoyed. What made this so easy was that, one, she was a great freelancer, but also that inspiration. I was able to send her the inspiration that I got on Canva, and then we worked back and forth to be able to get a really great design. Not only was I able to get a great design, but I was able to get my files that I can change at any time. I think that I'm going to go ahead and actually change the color of the packaging design. So it is great to be able to work with pro sellers, because you get the option to get the raw files that will allow you to go in and make tweaks to your design if you feel like you need to in the future. So this was a great experience again with Jessica. I got exactly what I wanted for my design, and you can too with using Fiverr. Click my link down below to get 10% off, and definitely check out Fiverr. So guys, you know I love using Fiverr for all my small business needs. Make sure you use my link down below to get 10% off. It's really going to help you overall save money when creating your business. Now we need to actually take our design that we got made on Fiverr and get it turned into an actual package. So I'm going to show you a few of the places that I really like for packaging design and how you can do this too for your brand. We'll go low end and high end and show you guys a little bit of both. I'm going to be using No Issue for my packaging, but they don't have a 3D image mock-up. So this is Packola. This is not how the final packaging is going to look because they don't have the same stats as No Issue, but you can get an overall idea of how the packaging is going to look. Now here is no issue. They have so many different things that you can get customized for your business. I mean, they have coffee cups, they have tissue paper, they have all different types of packaging no matter what type of business that you have. Obviously, I'm going to be using the shipping boxes, so that is what I'm interested in. They can go as cheap as $1.68 a unit, just depending on how much you order and the size. I'm going to be doing the 8x8s in premium white, and I'm only going to be doing imaging on the outside, so that does help you save a little bit money. As you can see, the pricing is fairly on point with most other brands. So again, the more you order, the less expensive it's going to be, but this is no issue in who I'll be using for my packaging design. So here is Packola. They offer less, but they also have better pricing. Pretty much just simple mailers, shipping boxes, as you can see, and they also offer samples. So if you just want to really get a sample of your box, this is a really great place to go. They also do 3D mock-ups, which allows you to actually see your box in real time, unlike No Issue. But Packola is a more affordable option to be able to get your packaging if you're looking for small runs and basic sizes. So here we have Packlane. Again, they're one of the more simple companies that only really offers packaging in like pouches in boxes, but they have a more affordable price, especially if you're going to be buying smaller quantities. I'm purchasing shipping boxes, so I'm just showing you guys that, but they have a lot more to offer. For $250 of them, they're $341 each, which isn't really bad, but again, the more that you order, the less expensive they become. So Packlane is a really great option if you're a small business owner, again, because what I'm doing requires me to have bigger boxes. They are more expensive, but if you have smaller boxes or you want pouches and things like that, they're way less expensive. And they also offer samples, and their samples are $38.99. Okay guys, so we came up with inspiration, we got a design, and I showed you how to get your packaging printed. Now, what type of packaging are you needing for your brand? Are you looking for poly mailers? Are you looking for boxes? I mean, are you looking for like outer packaging, like for makeup or all types of things? There's so many different types of packaging out there that you can go on and on and on and on and on. You can get super custom packaging that no one has, or you can just use a package design like myself to put it on a box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for any small business owners out there who are looking for inspiration on how to get their designs created and turned into packaging. My name's Akira. Let me know what you think down below. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.